Misfires, hesitation, that dreaded check engine light? Your ignition coils might be the culprit. I'm Andrew Rosen, and today on Driven by Quality, we're installing SKP Premium Ignition Coils, engineered for maximum spark energy, long life, and drop-in OEM fit. Let's make your engine run like new again. Welcome back to Driven by Quality. I'm Andrew Rosen. In our last episode, we covered SKP Premium Iridium spark plugs. Today, we're moving up the ignition chain to the component that delivers the high voltage spark those plugs need, the ignition coil. If your ignition coil is weak or failing, you're gonna feel it in lost performance, rough running, and reduced fuel efficiency. That's why having a reliable, well-built coil is so important. And that's exactly where SKP Premium Ignition Coils come in. Before we get into features, let's talk about how you might know it's time for a replacement. Frequent engine misfires, rough idle or hesitation under acceleration, poor fuel economy, hard starting or no start at all, illuminated check engine light, often with codes like P0350 through P0362, can all be signs of bad ignition coils. Low quality ignition coils can also lead to these issues sooner, with weak insulation, poor winding construction, and heat damage breaking them down prematurely. SKP Premium Ignition Coils are engineered for consistent, high voltage output, giving your spark plugs exactly what they need for complete combustion. They're built with high-grade copper windings for maximum conductivity and optimal spark energy. The housing is made from high dielectric heat-resistant materials to prevent breakdown even in extreme engine bay conditions. SKP also uses precision molded boots and terminals to ensure a perfect fit and secure connection, helping to prevent arcing and misfires. With OEM level design, these coils drop right in without modification. Here's a perfect example. This is the coil we just pulled. Notice the cracked housing, heat discoloration, and carbon tracking down the boot. Now compare that to the brand new SKP coil. Flawless insulation, crisp edges, and a tight, uniform boot seal. That difference isn't just cosmetic. It's the difference between inconsistent spark and reliable ignition performance. Here's what you'll need for this job. A ratchet with the appropriate socket for the coil bolts, extensions as needed, and potentially a clip removal tool to remove some of the other pieces that may be blocking you from accessing the coils. That is an optional tool. You can often do that with a screwdriver or even your hands by removing some of the connectors. With the engine off and cool, start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for safety. Unplug the coil's electrical connector. Remove the mounting bolt and gently twist and pull out the coil. Before installing the new SKP coil, apply a small dab of dielectric grease inside the boot. Slide it in firmly. Reinstall the bolt. And reconnect the electrical plug. Repeat for any other coils you're replacing. Finally, reconnect the battery and start the engine. You should have a smooth, consistent idle right away. SKP Premium Ignition Coils are designed for long-lasting, consistent performance in even the toughest of conditions. Paired with SKP Premium Iridium spark plugs, you're setting your ignition system up for a maximum efficiency and reliability. You can trust SKP to get the job done right. Ask for SKP at your local parts counter, online at your preferred source for auto parts, or visit us at skywardautomotive.com to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more product walkthroughs and installations. I'm Andrew Rosen, and this has been Driven by Quality. We'll see you next time.